I feel, of course, extremely honored and that we are in Fly Dubai. First, I've been entrusted by His Royal Highness and Sheikh Ahmed, entrusted to operate wide body and go to this level. This meant that the people of Fly Dubai have done a good job to deserve this honor and challenge. I'm very excited because this challenge definitely will always bring the best in us, and honored to be able to do that. From our point of view, I mean, by the time I think we get the aircraft, we will be 18 years old as an airline, so we are coming of age. And again, that is a fantastic sort of time to grow and expand. What we have done in Fly Dubai, where we challenge the convention and created the airline that we have right now, came with, of course, support that we got from the infrastructure that we have here in Dubai and all of that. And we think this ingredients is also right there for the future to allow us to do more and succeed more. And we always are guided by the principle embedded in us by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, where His Highness always said, if you stand still, people will pass you by. And we will never want to stand still, and we want always to take the challenge on, to push ourselves and take advantage of the facilities, position that the United Arab Emirates found itself, and our leaders position us here in Dubai. What happened right now, you can understand it based on all of the logistics and distribution chains and coming back life after COVID. I mean, we see this not only with the aircraft, with everything, and we understand that that is the case. But we also feel that we are in the final phase of this problem, and things will be better moving on. Boeing is one of the greatest company in the whole world, let alone in the airline business. Of course, they have high standard. Of course, they will be better. But you also realistic. It's not only a Boeing issue. All the supply chain, they will be all right. We are very confident. These aircraft give us a scope to dream. Dreamliner, and then gives us a bigger area to sort of focus on, and we are extremely confident, and we trust that what Dubai composition of traffic 10 years ago, 20 years ago is not the same now, and it's going to continue to grow and change, and we believe that change and growth have enough there for us to expand and take on a bigger map of the world to sort of fly to. Majority of the routes will be new, longer haul traffic than what we currently have. And then there will be some routes where we currently are short in terms of capacity. With capacity restraints, you get flexibility by having this aircraft. So wherever we have still a lack of flexibility by that time, we can deploy this aircraft. That's why a smaller part of this idea where we deploy is on our current routes. Majority of it will be new. In Fly Dubai, we are committed to operate to both airports. And I was saying to the guys, I don't know if you heard, last year we had the World Cup here, and what an exciting time. So it's always nice to come and operate. We have very specific plan to operate here and grow. And this takes into account the availability of capacity in Dubai airport and what will be available here, and our future plan to grow. It will be very strong fourth quarter for us. We already see that, and I'm sure we'll do better than last year. The first half of next year looks very good too.